In this video, we will talk about SQL between operator. So as clear from the name, between is used to find out the records that contains a column value between two values. Okay, so between is also used along with the where clause. So I'll explain with the help of an example. Here I have the employees table opened. Okay, so here you can see the columns birth date and hire date. Okay, I will make use of the between operator on hire date first. So I want to find out the employees that were hired between particular dates. Okay, so I'll just edit the query. I will use select star from employees where hire underscore date, and then I will use the between operator. Okay, where then the column name and then the between operator. Between, and then here I have to specify the first date. So let me write the first date. Make sure the format is exactly as it is defined in the table structure. So that is first is the year, and then is the month, then is the date. Okay, so the first date is 1st May 1990. Okay, and then between, and then here you have to use and keyword, and then you have to specify the last date. So here I am writing 1992 05 and 01. So here I want to find out all of the employer records for which the value of the column hire underscore date is between 1st May 1990 to 1st May 1992. So between the span of these 2 years. And one more thing, the between operator works inclusively. That means these dates are also included in the result set. Okay, so I will just run this query. And here you can see there are around 46,000 employees that were hired between the dates that we have specified in the query. You can see the hire underscore date column is highlighted with the lines. And let me just sort the hire date column. So here you can see the date 1992 5th May is also included because the between operator works inclusively. And similarly, I'll just sort it in the descending order to just show you that the starting date 1st May 1990 is also included in the result set. Similarly, you can apply the between operators for the other columns like the employee number. So I'll just apply for employee number column where employee number between 10001 and 10015. So it will just simply fetch the first 15 employees. You can see first 15 employees because the series start from 10001. Okay. You can also apply the between operator for the textual fields like first name. So where first underscore name between alias and burned. Okay, so it will fetch all of the records between the first underscore name values alias and burned. So let me just run this one. So you can see all of the names that fall between the specified strings in the SQL query. So that's all about the SQL between operator.